Hi, it's Anna with WTI.
Have you ever tried to give your little one iron supplements? It can be difficult, but NovaFerrum is such a difference. They have two flavors, so there's raspberry grape, which my daughter calls strawberry, and there's chocolate. She loves both of them. She tells me at breakfast every morning whether she wants strawberry or chocolate, and she actually enjoys taking the stuff. If you have ever tasted liquid iron for an infant or toddler, that stuff is rough, and it's no wonder most kids don't want to take it. But this, I don't know how they can cover up that strong iron taste, but they have done a marvelous job at it. It really tastes fruity, and the chocolate one really tastes chocolatey. You can take it directly, or you can mix it in with food. So if your kid doesn't like the thought of taking medicine, add it to some of their food, and it adds a nice fruity or chocolate flavor. They come with their own droppers, which is really nice. Consistency is very much like regular liquid iron that I used for my daughter. So if you're trying to get your little one to take some iron to make sure they get enough iron in their diet, NovaFerrum is a wonderful choice. I highly recommend it.
And that's my point of view.